Hi, have you ever wondered what you would want to do if you're not able to successfully complete your ACCA journey? Well, a lot of students have this question, and therefore, in today's video, we're going to discuss what are the other more doable options that you have if, let's say, your ACCA journey is not successful. But before we do that, like always, thank you so much for all your likes, all your comments, and all your feedback. I truly appreciate it. We are almost 5,000, so thank you so much for all the support you guys have been showing me. If this is the first time you've come to the channel, can I request you to please hit the like button, the subscribe, and the bell icons. And I promise you, I will only and only do videos which are A, helpful in your ACCA journey, or B, in your overall finance and accounting. Now, coming to the question, which is, what do you do if you're not able to complete your ACCA, or if it's ACCA is taking too long? Maybe ACCA is turning out to be a little too expensive for you than you thought. And yes, look, I'm an ACCA advocate and I love ACCA like nothing else. However, I do understand that these are very genuine problems that students face. So I thought, why not talk about some of the other options that are available, which students can really pursue if ACCA is not something that they want to, or if ACCA is something that they've not been able to complete. The first course that comes to my mind is CMA US. Now, the reason for that is super simple. If there is ACCA, which has got 13 papers or 15 papers, the way you want to look at it, CMA has only 2, right? But the good news is that in these 2 parts of CMA US, you've got everything that is required from a finance and accounting professional, right? It has got all the bits. Of course, it's not to the depth at which you will have your ACCA papers at skill and a professional level, but be rest assured, because I've looked at it, I've taught CMA US myself, so I can tell you the content is examined to a very good extent, and that is the reason why CMA US students, or the people who clear CMA US, are in very much demand in the industry, right? So therefore, if let's say ACCA is something that you can't really finish in time, or it's taking too long, maybe CMA US is something that you may want to consider. Like I said, it's only 2 parts. The exams are, again, there are multiple windows that are there throughout the year. So it's a lot of flexibility available. It's all online, right? Majority of it is all MCQ based. So again, as far as the doability is concerned, I would think that CMA comes right at the top, right? And again, because it has got all the good bits of finance and accounting, it certainly helps you in your career. The next course that comes to my mind is, say, if you are someone who is into finance and you would like to get into stocks, you want to get into personal finance, and if you want to get into wealth management, these kind of things, then maybe CFP is something that you can consider. Right now, CFP is Certified Financial Planner. This certification has been around for a very long time. It is by FPSB, which is Financial Planning Standards Board US. And again, just like CMA, this one is also fairly short. It has got 4 papers that you need to give. There's one wherein you need to make an actual plan for someone, which I find very exciting, right? And again, what I'm seeing, especially, because I'm in Mumbai, I see there are so many opportunities that keep coming up for CFP professionals, especially at FPA, because FPA did really market the program right from its inception. And, FPA has been doing CFP for over a decade now. So we've really seen people get really good careers and business opportunities as well through CFP, which is another big plus, right? You don't really have to, for a bank or maybe for a mutual fund, you can have your own practice as well. If you are a CFP professional, you can actually practice, right? So that's another big plus. And I forgot about the cost when I was talking about CMA US, but what I understand, and of course I would urge you to DM me if you need more details, right? But CMA US, the cost is around lakh and a lakh, 1.5 lakh rupees, including your IMAs, the statutory body fees, what we call. And the same is the case with CFP as well. The overall cost between the tuition fees and your board fees, etc., comes to around 1.25 to 1.5 lakhs. So both of the programs, similar duration, similar kind of doability, right? So, and again, when it comes to CFP, there is more personal finance. So I'll not say that it's an accounting degree per se, but yeah, it has got a lot of personal finance. You learn about taxation, you learn about real estate, right? You learn about financial planning. So if you are someone who wants to start your own business, maybe CFP is something that you can consider. The third option that I want to talk about, and this is relatively new, is that there is a qualification which is provided by Chartered Institute of Securities and Investment, short form CISI, and they have something called as Investment Banking Operations Certificate, right? So you do 3 modules of theirs and you get this certificate, and believe you me, this certificate actually can get you a job in most of the top banks that are out there in the country today, because you would probably know that most of the top banks have their back office operations in the country, and those banks are really looking forward to hire people who've got CISI, right? So and again, you can complete this program in less than a year. I think 9 months to be precise, and the content is very very practical per se, and the and like I said, if you're done with those 9 months or 3 levels, you can very quickly find a job in one of these top banks with salary starting 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. And the cost to do this program is also again similar-ish, around 1.25 to 1.5 lakhs. So if you look at it, if you are someone who does not want to spend so much time, money, and you think that ACCA has become too difficult for you, I feel that you've got these really good 3 options that you can go for. You can go for CMA if you want finance and accounting. You want personal finance, you can do CFP. You want investment banking, you can do CISI, right? So there are, and of course the list can be never ending, but I thought I'll do a short video that can really get your at least your hopes, I don't want to say hopes high, because I feel that these programs are very much doable, right? So it's not just a hope. I feel that if you don't want to do ACCA, these programs can certainly help you in getting whatever your career goals are, right? So yeah, if you need any further information about any of these programs, please feel free to reach out to me, drop me a DM. At FPA, we are providing tuitions and placements for all of these programs. We are the gold partners, we are the approved partners, we are the premium partners for these programs. So therefore, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll make sure that my team connects with you and gets you all the details, right? So I hope that helps. Please let me know if you need any further information, or if there are any other videos that you'd like me to do. And on that note, all the very best, and thank you so much. See you around. Bye bye.